So you're driving down the road and all of a sudden a car cuts you off, and now you're in the middle of an intense, aggressive road rage incident caused by another driver. What if you get into an accident and you're injured? How in your Tesla can you prove with video evidence that it was not your fault? Well, in this video, I share with you actual dash cam footage, everything from close calls to road rage to Animal Crossings, and it all starts with this. So we're going to go over actual dash cam footage of incidences that I've had since owning my Model 3. And of course, it all starts with this. Well, what is this? This comes in your Tesla 128 gigabytes of space. If you want to skip ahead at any point, there are timestamps in the description to skip ahead to the actual dash cam footage, and the best accessories for your Tesla are linked below. This will hold all of your evidence and dash cam footage from Sentry mode to on the road footage. It's 128 terabytes and comes free with every Tesla. Well, what is it? It is actually a USB port storage device that goes in your dash box. Now, the way to access this is you plug it into any computer that has USB. Now, if you don't have a device that has USB, you can get one of these adapters. This one is for my MacBook, so you simply plug it in like that, and now I can access the files on my computer. So a very quick tutorial on how to actually access and transfer your video footage. You click glove box in your Tesla, and once the glove box is open, you pull out this USB storage stick and then you plug it into your computer device and it'll look something like this. You click on Tesla Cam, and then here you'll see multiple folders of Sentry mode, of recent clips, of saved clips, and then once you access these folders, it'll have both your left and right pillar video footage and your front and rear camera video footage. From there, you can clean up your storage and delete these videos, or you can save them if you do want to email them or send them to someone else in an email or what have you. They'll be there as long as you keep them there. So I'm going to talk you through what happened on all of these dash cam clips, and I encourage you to send in your clips to make it on the channel. Send them to frunk2trunkyt@gmail.com for a chance to make it into a video. So let's get right to it, the dash cam clips from my Tesla. So here we see a motorcyclist that didn't think that traffic was going fast enough for his liking, and you can see he's coming up on my bumper fairly quickly. Now I pull away because I don't want to hit into this person. He's accelerating quite quickly, but you won't believe what he decided to do after this. Now he pulls up close to my car. Once again, you can just see how close he's actually getting, and there he is, swerves right in front of another car and is right next to me at this point. Now you can see he has to back off, moves right over, and again passes right in the middle of two cars, nearly missing my Tesla. So the cool thing about your Tesla is going to have multiple views. So here is another view. He's behind me at this moment, but very soon you'll see him swerve across lanes, nearly missing another car. So here he is, he's getting ready to pass, and he's actually trying to go over two lanes. Extremely dangerous. And here he squeezes right between a van and my Tesla. So here he goes, makes the move and goes right past us. Very, very close. Now he's in a safe spot, but again, squeezes through another car, and there he goes. What do you think about this behavior? Have you seen motorcycles do this? This cannot be safe. So it was a fairly rainy day going to my in-laws' house on this occasion. Roads were kind of wet, so I was manually driving. I did not have autopilot on in this case. Now you can see there's no guardrails. I had to be extremely careful, and the road was wet. Now the sun was going down. It's kind of hard to tell, but all of a sudden, check this out. Everything is going pretty fine here until about 3, 2, 1. Do you see it? A family of deer ran right across the road, and I had to manually press on my brake. Would you have avoided this Animal Crossing? What is it with cars being so impatient? Tell me what this vehicle is. You can see it passing me on the right here. Now I continue driving just normally. This is actually on my way back from my lunch break, going back to work, and now you can see this other view passing me on the right fairly quickly, obviously impatient. I have no idea what kind of car this was, but he surely wanted some type of race, and I wanted nothing to do with that. As we continued down the road, you can see this car catching up to me on my rear bumper. Now he gets fairly close, but before I could be in harm's way, I decided to put on that Tesla juice and get out of there to safety. Yet someone else that is just admiring the Tesla and wants to be up close. Well, this BMW again experienced the Tesla juice. I do not want to get into any kind of accident, so I hit that pedal and accelerated out of there. Obviously, this BMW driver must be a really big Tesla fan because he started accelerating even more. Before I gave him the chance, I decided to hit that accelerator and get out of there and get back to work. Thanks for watching. If you do like this segment of Dashcam clips and you would like to see more, the only way I know that you enjoyed it is, of course, to drop a like and make sure to send your clips to frunktotrunkyt@gmail.com for a chance to make it in the video. Please subscribe and check out the links in the description for the very best accessories. Again, this is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.